In this video, I'll show you how to delete a workspace in Monday.com. Start from your main dashboard where all your workspaces and boards appear on the left sidebar. Take a moment to identify the workspace you want to remove. Workspaces usually contain multiple boards, dashboards, and documents, so before deleting anything, it's important to double check that you no longer need the content inside it. If there are important boards or files you want to keep, consider moving them into another workspace first before continuing. To move a board, hover over the board name, click the three-dot menu beside it, then select Move to Workspace. Choose the destination workspace and confirm the move. Once you're sure the workspace is no longer needed, go back to the left sidebar and locate the workspace you want to delete. Move your cursor over the workspace name, and on the right side of the workspace, click the small three-dot menu icon. A drop-down menu will open with several workspace options. Depending on your version of Monday.com, you may immediately see a delete workspace option, and if you do, click it. A confirmation message will now appear on your screen. This warning is important because deleting a workspace can affect all the boards and content connected to it. Read the message carefully before continuing. After reviewing everything, click the final confirmation button to proceed with the deletion. The workspace will now be removed from your sidebar and will no longer appear in your account. If you don't see the delete option at all, it usually means you don't have owner or admin permissions for that workspace. In that case, you'll need to contact the workspace owner or an account admin to make the change. Also, keep in mind that some enterprise or team settings may restrict workspace deletion entirely for certain users. And that's how you delete a workspace in Monday.com.